Picture this. You've just set up your very first cryptocurrency wallet. You're greeted by a seemingly random sequence of words, 12, maybe 24 of them. They tell you to write it down, keep it safe, never share it. It's called a seed phrase or a recovery phrase. But have you ever stopped to wonder, how does this jumble of words secure your digital wealth? Let's unravel the mystery. A seed phrase is like a skeleton key, the master private key that unlocks all the funds and assets in your wallet. It's your lifeline if your wallet is lost, stolen, or corrupted. But its true power lies in how it's created. Enter BIP39, the Bitcoin improvement proposal that changed how we safeguard crypto wallets. Under this standard, your seed phrase isn't just plucked out of thin air, it's generated through a precise mathematical process. First, the system starts with entropy, a string of randomly generated zeros and ones. This binary code ensures a level of randomness that makes your seed phrase virtually impossible to guess. But here's where it gets clever. Each group of bits is converted into a decimal number that corresponds to a specific word from a predefined list of 2,048 carefully chosen English words. This list isn't random either. Every word is unique by its first four letters, eliminating confusion. For example, the word access exists, but not accent. If your binary code maps to the number 1828, that translates to the word tongue. Piece by piece, these words form your seed phrase, a human-readable master key. Now here's a twist. For those seeking extra security, BIP39 allows an optional passphrase, a 13th or 25th word if you will. This isn't limited to the predefined word list. It's a customizable password of up to 50 characters. With it, your seed phrase becomes useless to anyone without this additional layer of protection. Think about it. A handful of words, grounded in advanced cryptographic standards, secures digital assets worth millions. It's elegant, but it's also a stark reminder of responsibility. Lose your seed phrase, and you've lost your assets. Share it, and you've handed over the keys to your kingdom. So, the next time you write down those words, take a moment to appreciate the brilliance of BIP39. Behind those simple words lies a fortress of math and computing. And remember, your digital future depends on how well you guard it.